everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to create this colorful background in the app IBIS Paint X. So first I'm just opening my Samsung S7 tablet, and the app I'm using is it's IBIS Paint X, and I will show you step by step how to create that colorful background. First, I'm going to use this dot brush. So this is one of the default brush from the IBIS Paint X. It is a free one, and if you have only free version, you can just use this brush just by watching a watch ad option, and it will be free for you to use for the next 18 hours. So here, I'm just going to the jitter option in that brush settings, and in the jitter hue, keep that jitter hue value to 100%, and if you change to that end point, it will be changed to a gradient color grading one. But here for this background I want to choose the pattern option. So now once I done only these two settings, my brush change to a colorful one. Whenever you want to change any brush into a colorful rainbow brush, you have to change the jitter hue value to 100%. So that's a secret. And now using that brush, I'm just scribbling. So the character of this brush is it will only consider the background as a pixel, and every dot, every stroke will be like full of pixels. So this is that dot brush characteristics. So I feel this is colorful. If you feel there is a continuous box with same color, you can just change just by tabbing it. So like this. Okay, now it feel like it is of random colors. Then go to filter and go to blur. In the blur, go to the lowest one, frosted glass movie. So keep that value to the maximum. Keep that radius value to the maximum. It will change blur like this. So you can see it looks like a glass. Now go to the moving blur, click on it, and maybe according to your requirement, I'm keeping here at 48 pixel. Now it is good. Also, I'm changing the direction, so I want it to be totally horizontal, so I change to that value, and here comes our beautiful colorful P background for any of your illustration. So you can try this. Don't touch again. The brush stroke will be applied immediately. So I'm saving this as PNG, and here is our final background. It's very colorful, vibrant. I like this. And then if you find my videos useful, will learn something from me, then subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching.